Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we have completed about the Donkuru village in Deccan Plateau. In the previous lesson and the previous topic we are talking about we are now entering into the Donkuru village. In that we have discussed about in the previous class Deccan Plateaus, about the Deccan Plateaus and about the soils, crops, agricultures, fruits. We are different. We are talking yesterday, discussing the previous classes. Now we are discussing about the village settlements. Village settlements means what? Peoples which are living in the villages. The peoples are living in the villages and how they are settlement. How they are settlements. Some members having the business work, some members doing the agriculture, some members doing the any business, like different their work are doing. Now we are knowing about the village settlements. Means not we are saying the others village, only we are now entering into Dankur village. No, we are discussing about the Dankur village peoples only. How the peoples they are doing the work, how they are the settlements. Now we are knowing about the village settlements. Means in the village, in the Dankuru village, 750 family members they are living. 750 family members they are living. In that family members, 350 family members they are having the own land. They are having the own land of acres. Means some people's having the own land. Some members will be not having the own land. Means they have to go to others land. He will take and he will grow and for yearly, for 6 months, they will give to the money for them land owners. For them not having the own land, no. That's why they will take the land and they will grow the crops and they will give the money to 6 months or 1 year. They will give the money to them. And the remaining family, remaining members, what they will do? They are having the own land and they will take others land also. No, daily they are going to do the labor work. Means labor work means daily they are ending the money 200, 300 like that. They will get the money and daily they are getting. Some members are doing the business likes in the villages only. Village peoples, all castes will be having in this village. Some family members fishers, some family members goldsmith, carpenters, different types of cultures people are living. In this, suppose we are knowing about the carpenters. You know carpenters better. We know carpenters. Carpenters what we will do? The carpenters are doing in a moreover doors and windows. When the houses having the roofs, no, they are also doing the carpenters and they will get the money for 1 month 3000 rupees. In the moreover nowadays all our peoples, suppose outside we are knowing the town signs, moreover all our buildings, flats like different they are play. But in villages some more having the pakka houses, kacha houses like that and huts, different houses will be having. And carpenters also they are roofs. For roofs only they are wooden, with wood only they will give. And goldsmith family members also will there. They also give the small works and they will be do. And some more members with rice mill. Okay, rice mill. In the rice mill also so many peoples also in the work in that they will get the money. And now the roads and transport. About the roads and transport. Roads and transport. We know roads and transport. What you thinking about the roads and transport? Means which peoples are the living in the Dankur village. In the they are having the roads, roads and transport. How they are the peoples going to one place to another place. Okay, they are going to one place to another place. And moreover they are transports. Transports means moreover village peoples they are having the Dankur village. They are growing the crops. Moreover the crops, rice, like different vegetables, fruits, like different they are growing. They are transporting to the other cities. Why means in the Dankur village is that just only it is a village. The some they are sending into the market means they had to go to transport. Okay, they are going to transport. Is a road and transport. And in this road and transport, so many people are doing the business in this on the road sheet, means a road corner. Some more people's road corner also they are doing the business like kirana shops, medicals. Okay, these more etc. We are having so many, but example we knowing about the kirana shops. You know, moreover we can see in on the road while going on the road they are having the kirana shops, tea shops, coffee, like the different shops are there by while the going on the road. And moreover medicals, yes, medicals also compulsory on the road. It's urgent, anybody will be take means it will be. And moreover some people are doing the auto rickshaws while driving auto rickshaw and rickshaws. They also by means share autos like will be having, no, while village to town or village to other village they are going, means they have to transport on the autos, roads, like that. They are doing the different works. So many women also, while the gents are doing the other business, means women also what they will do for tea stall, like they are keeping on the roadsides selling the tea stall. And some more members doing the rice poles, like different they are doing. Gents are not doing the work, women's and men's and women's also both are they doing the work and the business. Okay, and some more the doing the kirana shops, medicals, tea shops and auto rickshaw. Moreover the peoples are doing. And the transport, better transport means we are in road only, these all the keeping and beside they will be having. And the transport, what will say the transport means moreover we are growing the crops, no, the agriculture add more crops, means about the turmeric, sugar cane, okay, turmeric, sugar cane, red gram, black gram, like different pulses, and wheat, rice, this all will be having to transport on the road only. They are having the transport, means the when these loading the in the lorry and they are transporting to the other villages or other cities also they are sending, means roads and transport. And for you I will show the one figure in your test book. See beta, this is the roads and transport, means some people, see beta, some women are doing the tea stall, like they are doing the rice mill, like they are doing the work. And some members, some people are doing also mutton shops also beta. Mutton shops are chicken shops or mutton or chicken shops they are be keeping, and for we they are getting the money daily like 500 600. For mutton chicken they will get the more money, you know that, for 1000 2000 like that they will be getted. Tea stall like 1500 or for one day 500, one day 300, one day 1000, like they will be getted. For kirana shop also same as it is, they will be airline. And medical as usual, auto rickshaw, so which people are traveling to one place to another place, means they will get the more money also. And next see, but auto rickshaws means see the peoples who are traveling to the in the case you want to travel a Donkuru modes from the transport with help you, means see there is the when we are going to Donkuru village, means there is a one board, the village name will be kept on the board, while the village ending only they will keep the one board, it is the Donkuru village they will be kept. While we don't know, suppose we don't know other place we are going, we don't know how to go, the routes also we don't know, that's how we have to go to on the villages, means they are keeping the boards, while the keeping the boards only we are, yes, this village go to this side, this means we can know. And moreover, in the starting the first lesson I said for you directions. Yes, north, south, east, west. Yes, already I said. Same in this also, in the symbols. In the first lessons, we can see the symbols. Symbols means railways, airways, and bus stand, hospitals. Symbols will be having means easily we can go. Easily we can go while the seeing the symbols, while the seeing the directions. Directions also. How you see the directions means we can see north side you can go means Donkuru village will be having. In the northeast side the Donkuru village is there, like that. In Armoor is the west side, like that we can easily say that while the seeing the roots means symbols and easily we can know it. And see but here they are keeping the board on the village in the Donkuru in Telugu, Hindi and in English. Some member people who don't know Telugu, they can read in Hindi. Some people know English, any language means compulsory they will keep to the three languages. Moreover, we can see on the buses when going to traveling one other places means on the buses what we'll see, and they are keeping they'll write in the Telugu same. Suppose better here we see Armoor and Armoor. The two names when we are traveling on the buses, he'll keep the in Telugu one name, English one name. Who know Telugu means they will read the Telugu. Who know in English means they will read in English. The both they will be read means they can easily understand. Same that like you anywhere in any place compulsory in the board they will write in the three languages or two languages compulsory they will write. Okay, and see here this is the auto rickshaw who are the traveling on the yes, and see better this is a village settlements, and village settlements they are having the suppose some peoples in the village settlements some peoples are having the froops houses, pakka houses, kacha houses, different types of houses they will be having. Some more peoples they are having the buildings also. Who are the rich farmers they are having the buildings like they will be having. Who are the normal peoples they are having the kacha houses, pakka houses. Some members will be having also huts like houses will be having. And moreover the peoples they will be see here electrical current means all are they having the houses, in those houses also current will be supplying electricity current for all houses they are having electricity current. And moreover in the villages also some when you see in the summer season, when we are seeing the summer season, that time what happened in the summer season also they are having the problems of water problem for water supplying, how the water supplying means they are having the bores in their village last or corner or the middle they will keep the bores. In that bores means the water will be every time will be pour. When we are on the electric current means every time the water will be pour. And what they will do means they will keep the pipelines. They keep the pipelines, and the pipelines and with water they are sending the all houses. For government is a given for everyone houses compulsory water supply is there. Compulsory for 750 family members or 3000 people they are living. In that 750 family members all are getting the water and electric current by supplying the government. For that also they are giving the money for monthly wise. Monthly wise we are paying the bill. Also. Current bill, tap bill, like different bills are we are paying compulsory. Why they are giving the water? No, we are giving the we are paying the bills also. Okay, current bill or electricity current bill also we are giving. And some more people in the villages, moreover we can see in the villages they are having the tanks. They will keep the tanks better, like this tanks will be having in the moreover in the villages. What they will do in the tanks means in that only full of water will be in this. After that is the pipelines. With the pipelines only they will sending into the houses. They are sending into the houses and they are using the water time to time, morning 6 to 8 like that. They are sending the white line water. And this is our, we completed road and settlements and road and market, and which are the doing the carpenters, goldsmith, and these are the who are doing the basket weavers. I mean in Donkuru village they are having the big types of bushes will be having, no, they are with that their plants remove, and with that they are preparing a baskets also. They are preparing the baskets. And now you can see, but this is you already I showed for you, in your book will be having. And Mosambhi fruits, and this is the irrigation corporation full of the tanks. We are having the different types of the formations. And this is the land. We have completed our Donkuru village. And what you will do better for you, homework I will give you. This lesson is there now for you. Totally you have to read the lesson. You have to read the lesson first onwards on Donkuru village in Deccan Plateaus onwards to last. Last what we having the topic roads and market. Roads to market you have to read up to trains and shops. Okay, in this also trains will be having trains and shop. In this up to you have to read, and every word you have to read. Which word is for you hard? Okay, already you know about when you are keeping the words in the 5th class already you read. When you are reading the lesson, that time you have to keep the underline. Okay, you are keeping the underline the words while you reading this total lesson. Don't read fast. Read one para. In that one para you have to read line. Which word is for you hard? Suppose road also for you, some students, you know, some students also, road is the hard word. Nothing will happen. You have to underline it. Which word is for you hard? That word you have to underline, and you have to write in your book. Already you are having the social book now. In that you have to write the lesson name and write. You have to compulsory write the hard words. Hard words you have to write it. How many? Suppose in the one para 5, one next para 2, like that. Which word is for you hard? No, you have to write first all total lesson. In that you have to write it. After that, once you can read that hard words while you are writing computer, no, after that once you read that hard words, now totally at a time all not you read. You written 20 better, you 20 at a time you don't read. Only 5 words you have to read. Suppose you have to read road, current, symbols, water supply, like that 5 words you can read. Read of 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, like you read, and you can easily you get it answer, means easily that word you will get easily. Don't read fast hurry burry. You keeping your book front, you reading and kept simply you written the madam said compulsory I read, means which word you have to write, don't write better. You have to read compulsory and write the hard words, okay, in your book. Today we have completed our Donkuru village in Deccan Plateau. Tomorrow topics, tomorrow lesson, tomorrow we are discuss. Okay beta, thank you. Okay. Appa.